Welcome to Dr. Karmanati's YouTube channel, where we dive deep into AI, cybersecurity, and cutting-edge technology. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Today, we're exploring a mind-blowing field that's redefining artificial intelligence, synthetic biological intelligence, or SBI. Imagine an AI that doesn't just mimic human intelligence, but is partially built from human brain cells. It sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's already happening. Researchers are developing brain organoids, tiny lab-grown clusters of brain cells that are being integrated into AI systems. These biological processes could revolutionize computing, making it faster, more efficient, and, incredibly, more human. However, this technology also raises big ethical and philosophical questions. Could these tiny brain clusters become conscious? Could we be creating a new form of life? Let's break it all down and explore the fascinating and sometimes eerie world of synthetic biological intelligence. Synthetic biological intelligence is an emerging intersection of biology and artificial intelligence. Traditional AI, like the one running on your smartphone or guiding self-driving cars, relies on silicon-based hardware, which is powerful but incredibly energy-hungry. The human brain, on the other hand, operates on just 20 watts of power, but outperforms even the most advanced AI in many ways. Researchers are now looking at brain organoids, 3D clusters of human brain cells grown from stem cells, to see if they can provide a new, more efficient way to compute information. But what exactly are brain organoids? Think of them as mini-brains cultivated in a lab from human stem cells. They're not whole brains and don't have thoughts or emotions, but they do mimic certain brain functions, including neural activity and synaptic communication. Scientists have already taught these organoids to perform tasks like speech recognition and even play a simple game of Pong. That's right, tiny clusters of lab-grown brain cells are learning how to play video games. How does SBI work? The process begins with scientists reprogramming adult cells into induced pluripotent stem cells, iPSCs. These stem cells are then coaxed into forming neural structures that develop into brain organoids. To integrate them with AI systems, researchers use microelectrode arrays, small devices that can send and receive electrical signals. This setup allows the organoids to process data similarly to how neurons in our brains do. One of the most exciting breakthroughs in this field comes from a system called brainware. Scientists trained brain organoids for speech recognition, showing that they could adapt and learn in real time. Another study even demonstrated that these organoids could play Pong, proving they could recognize patterns and respond to stimuli. So why are researchers investing so much in SBI? The biggest reason is energy efficiency. The human brain is one of the most energy-efficient computing systems ever evolved. While a supercomputer can consume millions of watts of power, a human brain operates on just 20 watts. If we could build AI systems that function more like the brain, we could see a dramatic reduction in energy costs. There's also the potential for SBI to solve problems that traditional AI struggles with. Machine learning models today require vast amounts of data to learn new tasks. For example, AlphaGo, the AI that defeated human champions at the game of Go, needed to analyze 160,000 games and consume as much energy as a decade's worth of human metabolism to learn how to play. In contrast, a human brain can learn similar tasks with only a few examples. SBI could bridge that gap, creating AI that learns more efficiently and in a more human-like way. Despite its promise, SBI is still in its infancy. One major hurdle is scalability. Right now, Brain organoids are small, typically containing around 100,000 cells. An entire human brain has about 86 billion neurons, so we are far from replicating the complexity of the human mind. Scientists are working on ways to increase the size and complexity of these organoids, but it's a slow and delicate process. There are also technical challenges. Brain organoids are difficult to standardize because they grow in unique ways, making it hard to reproduce results across different studies. Researchers are developing microfluidic systems and advanced electrode interfaces to improve consistency, but we're still in the early stages. Then there's the elephant in the room, ethics. As these brain organoids become more complex, could they develop some form of consciousness? Right now, there's no evidence that they are self-aware or capable of thought. But as technology progresses, we might have to reconsider. If an organoid can learn, adapt, and process information, at what point do we start calling it intelligent? And if it's intelligent, does it have rights? The ethical debate is already underway. Some researchers argue that as long as organoids remain primitive, they're no different from any other biological research sample. Others believe we need strict ethical guidelines before we go any further. In 2022, an international group of scientists issued the Baltimore Declaration, calling for ethical oversight in this area. They emphasize the importance of transparency, accountability, and public dialogue in shaping the future of SBI. So where is this all headed? SBI has the potential to transform multiple industries. Imagine a biocomputer that can model neurological diseases in real time, allowing doctors to develop personalized treatments for conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. SBI could also be used for advanced decision-making systems, providing AI that can learn continuously and adapt without the massive energy costs of traditional computing. Companies like Cortical Labs and research institutions such as Johns Hopkins are leading the way in SBI development. The Organoid Intelligence (OI) initiative is working to push the boundaries of what's possible, but we're still years, possibly decades, away from seeing SBI used in everyday technology. Nevertheless, progress is accelerating, and the next few years could bring some astonishing breakthroughs. Synthetic biological intelligence is one of the most fascinating frontiers in AI and neuroscience. By merging human brain cells with computing, we could unlock new levels of intelligence and efficiency. But with great power comes great responsibility, and we must navigate the ethical and technical challenges carefully. What do you think? Should we continue developing SBI, or are we stepping into dangerous territory? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our deep dives into AI, cybersecurity, and the future of technology. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.